Today we will start with comparison of two fractions. Look, in this fraction, since denominator are same, so just compare the numerator part, and which numerator part is a greater, that fraction will be greater. So this is very clear. So this one is a greater. Now second, just reverse this fraction. Here you can see numerator part is just same but denominator is a not equal. Here where is the numerator part is a smaller, then that fraction will be greater. For unit fraction, when numerators are 1 and 1, then how you compare which fraction is a greater? Then where is the smaller denominator, that fraction will be greater. In fourth type of fraction, when numerator and denominator both are different, then we compare by two methods. First, cross multiplication method. Just take 3 into 7 on left side and 5 into 2 on a right side. Which part is a greater? That side of fraction is greater. Here 21 is a greater, so 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7. This is a first method. Now second, same questions we can do by taking denominator same. Then how we do that? 3 by 5 multiply this by 7, that is a 21 by 35, and another fraction 2 by 7 multiply by this 5 and we get a 10 by 35. Now you compare this by the denominator, which is greater. This one is a greater, so this one is a greater. This is a second method. And third method is by taking the LCM of 5 and 7. By taking LCM of denominator 5 and 7, its LCM will be 35. So make the denominator 35. Okay, that we just do. This becomes 21 by 35 and another one is a by 5, multiply by 5, then 10 by 35. Then which one is a greater? This one is a greater, so no. First fraction is a greater. So you can do by this method, but most easiest method is a cross multiplication method. Now hope you learned the comparison. Now learn the equivalence fraction. How to get equivalence fraction of 4 by 3. This is very simple. To get a equivalence fraction of 4 by 3, we simply multiply with the same number to denominator and numerator. Here we multiply by 2 and 2, so we get a 8 upon 6. And suppose another one equivalence of 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is multiplied by another number 3. So we get a 12 upon 9. So 4 by 3, 8 by 6 and 12 upon 9 all are a equivalence fraction. This way we find equivalence fraction. Suppose we have to find the equivalence fraction of fraction like of a bigger number, then we reduce the given fraction and get a equivalence fraction. This is divisible by 7, so get 3 by 4, so 21 upon 28 and 3 by 4 both are a equivalence fraction. There it is. This question is very simple. In this type of questions, where one fraction is a equivalent of another but there is a missing of denominator, then how you fill that? You can see there is a numerator 3 and this side of numerator is a 9, so it becomes a 3 times 3 into 3, then we get a 9. Same here we do 8 into 3, because as 3 into 3 then it is a 9, so 8 into 3 is a 24, so we fill here 24. In this type of fraction you can see this is a bigger number of fraction, and we have to find the smaller number from here. Then how you solve this one? First you do like this, 81 divided by 9, what you get? You get a 9, and here 72, so 72 is also divided by 9, you get 8, so you just fill here 8. और दूसरी तरीके से भी आप कर सकते हो. इफ़ योर टेबल इज ए स्ट्रॉन्ग देन यू कैन सी 9 9 जा 81, देन this 9 is 70, this 72 is divided by 9, what we get a 8. और ओरल इसकी आप प्रैक्टिस करो कि 8 9 जा 72 होता है. ओके, सो वी टेक हियर 8. रिड्यूस करके हमने यहाँ पे 9/8 लिखा है. तो आपकी अगर टेबल स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी तभी आप इसे रिड्यूस कर सकते हो. तो लर्न 1 to 20 टेबल. एडिशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन, वेरी सिंपल हियर. 5/4, both denominator are same, so just do sum of numerator, it becomes a 8/4. Second question, 8/5 plus 7/3, what you do? You just make the denominator same here first, then 8/5 is multiplied by 3 and 3, it becomes 24/15, and 7/3 also make denominator same by multiplying 5, both numerator and denominator, it becomes a 35/15. Now add it, 24/15 plus 35/15. Okay, 59/15. Addition of a mixed fraction. Suppose 3 1/2 plus 4 1/3. First make it a improper. How to convert into improper? 3 into 2, that is a 6, plus 1, न्यूमरेटर से प्लस करेंगे, अपॉन 2, it becomes a 7/2. Another one is a 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13/3. So 7/2 plus 13/3. Make the denominator same again as we did previous question, and add this one also. You also add mixed fraction like this. Suppose I take a 4 1/3 and 3 1/2. First add whole number 4 plus 3 and add the fraction here in a big bracket. This becomes 7, and when you add 1/3 plus 1/2, it becomes 5/6. So we get a 7 5/6 as a fraction by adding this and this. Now suppose there is a subtraction of a mixed fraction. We take an example of 4 1/2 and 3 1/3. Then first subtract whole number 4 minus 3, and fraction part here 1/2 minus 1/3. We take in the LCM of 2 and 3, that is a 6, and then we get a we divide 6/2, we get a 3. Okay, so 3 here एज इन एडिशन, एंड 3 से जब आप 6 को डिवाइड करोगे वी गेट अ 2 हियर, तो 3 minus 2 इट बिकम्स अ 1/6. सो वी गेट दिस 7 1/6 as a subtraction of these fractions. So hope you have cleared the questions, because this is a very easy chapter फ्रैक्शन. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि आप इन कुछ क्वेश्चंस को करके कि आप अगर आपने ध्यान से किया तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगी. इफ़ एनी प्रॉब्लम प्लीज़ राइट इन अ कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, बाय बच्चों, देन मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.